Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you how to work on your communication and explanation skills. Why I want to do this video, or why I want to record this video. The primary reason is a lot times I see that people who want to start their career in data science, data analytics, digital marketing, or any other domain. I mean, just you are graduated and or there is a gap and you want to start your career, then they might be aware about the skills that they require. They might be knowing the concepts, however they are not able to put up in the right words. When you ask them to explain this concept or that concept, then they kind of can't explain end to end. They can't pick up right words. People kind of stammer at multiple points, right? So that is the reason why I wanted to record this video, so that it can help people in improving your communication and explanation skills. And why is it important to improve your communication and explanation skills? The reason is because this can be a decider on your candidature. If you can't explain a concept, if you can't explain a question clearly, it might affect your candidature. So that is the reason. So the solution that I am going to give you is based on my experience. So what you need to do is I'm going to tell you certain steps. It requires your lot of effort, input, so please try to follow that. Take down a list of questions from any topic, be it SQL, Excel, Python, statistics, digital marketing, SEO, any topic you want, any topic you are comfortable in. Take down 5 to 10 questions, okay, simple questions for which you already know the answer. List down all those questions in Word file, Microsoft Word or Google Doc, anywhere. You can get the questions from internet. It's pretty easy to get these questions. Once you list down all the questions in the doc, then take out single question from the doc and put it in Google slide or PowerPoint. One slide, one question. Okay. So let's say that you are just putting what is pivot table. Okay. And in the next slide you are putting what is join. Explain the concept of join. Next slide, what is difference between primary key and foreign key. I am talking with respect to data analytics and data science. However, you can do it for any other topics as well. Like this, you have created 5 to 6 slides. Now what you need to do is your preparation is over. You save that file somewhere in your system. Now you should be getting ready to explain the answers. How you would explain is, you would explain the answer by speaking out loud in front of your laptop. By speaking out loud, it helps you in clarifying a lot of things, be it selection of right words at right time, the problem of stammering, the problem of not completing sentence end to end. All these problems usually goes away if you follow this practice. So what you need to do is open the slide that you had created earlier, put up in the presentation mode, be it PowerPoint or Google slide. Then start speaking based on the questions that you see in the slide. For example, if the first question is what is VLOOKUP, then you need to explain it in your own terms about the solution of the question, answer to the question, and explain it verbally. I don't expect you to remember the solution or the answer for the question. I want you to explain it in your words. It doesn't matter if you are unable to explain it completely. It doesn't matter, because that's where we are trying to focus and that's what you want to improve. So explain it in your own words. Take some examples, industry specific examples with respect to VLOOKUP or any other questions. Join, you want to bring data from multiple tables. That is the reason why you want to use join. Examples can be, if I want to bring customer number in sales table, so we would like to join sales table with customer table. So just an example of join. Like this, you can take examples and explain it theoretically, verbally. Do this for other questions. All the questions, 5 to 6 questions at a point of time is good enough. Obviously you can take more as well. So you should be able to explain all the questions in your own words with examples. Okay, so maybe for 5 questions, 6 questions, maybe you can take up to 10 questions as well. And you have to do this for at least 7 to 10 days. Take up different questions. If you have taken, for a day you have taken questions from SQL. If I talk specifically about data analytics, if one day you have taken from SQL, next day you can take from Python. Another day you can take from Excel, statistics, basics of machine learning, advanced concepts of SQL, Python, like this. If you are from digital marketing domain, you can take questions from SEO, clicks, conversion rates, all these things you can take it up. And do this thing for 7 to 10 days. Different set of questions every day, and again speak out loud. A lot of times the mistake that you might do is you see the question and you will think that, oh, I already know this question, so why should I explain it? I would explain it only in front of the interviewer. And this is the reason why candidates, learners, job seekers might not be able to improve on their communication and explanation skills. I want you to speak it out loud in front of your system, in front of your laptop. Once you start doing this, eventually you will see that you would be able, if you do this regularly, you have to do this regularly on a regular basis. It won't happen that you just did one day and everything would improve. It won't happen that way. You have to do this regularly every day with 5 to 7, 10 questions, a different set of questions, and eventually you will see that your communication and explanation skills is improving. Now, if you want this to, this exercise, if you want to put efforts to a next level, then I will just add another element to it. What is that element? That element is basically, whenever you are speaking, try to record that audio in your mobile, right? Don't record video, because that might be too spacious. It might consume a lot of space in your mobile, and even if it is not required. But audio, you record it in your mobile. Let's say that if you are doing this exercise in the morning time, then come back in the evening time, same day, and listen to those recordings. Then start writing down the notes about what did you miss, where did you get stuck, where what are the situations where you were not able to pick the right words at right time. Why did you stuck? Were you not sure about the examples? Were you not sure about the concepts? Or it was just because you were not able to pick the right words at right time. So what is the problem? So you list down all the problems that you see in your audio recording, and you would be the best person to list down all those problems, and no one actually can do that for you. Once you are done with that, then work on the problems that you faced, work out on the solution. If the problem is you did not know the solution, you did not know the concepts, know all those concepts, revise the concepts and try to get all those concepts. If the problem is you were not able to pick right words at right time, then again it requires practice. If the problem is you were not sure what kind of grammar should be used, again it's about practice. If the problem is you are not able to complete sentence end to end, again the solution is practice. So like this, you list down all the problems and list down the possible solutions. Try to improve on that in the very next day. Do the same thing, different set of questions, single question, single slide. You get that ready, you get your slides ready, present it, and then start speaking for yourself for the question that you have presented, and then record it. Do the same analysis of your recordings in the evening. So this way, if you do this for 7 to 10 days, I am sure that things would improve drastically in terms of communication and explanation skills. So that is the complete agenda on improvement of your communication and explanation skills. In this, if you do this way, you yourself is the coach for your career, your explanation skills. And a lot times in today's world you might not have a personal coach for yourself. So this is the reason why I want you to follow this strategy, work on your communication, and if you improve your communication, it is going to help you everywhere. Be it you are trying to find out a job, or you want to you got a job eventually which you will do, and you want to you would like to improve the communication, because even in the job you would like to communicate things properly. Communication is used everywhere, it's important everywhere. So go ahead and do this, and I'm sure that this is going to be a lot of it's going to be helpful for all of you. If you think that anything else can be done in this segment, or if you want me to include anything else or solve any of your challenge, do let me know in the comment section, and happy to come up with a solution, practical solution, which I believe should be should be of help. So that's it. Thank you so much.